Hey guys, so today we are doing a topic that I really enjoy. It's multiplying and dividing negative numbers. Okay, it's pretty simple, okay, but there's a few little rules that you need to learn. And once again, same with a lot of negative number topics or topics this term, there's a table that you need to learn to copy out that will help you along the way. So let's have a look at what we're doing. So during this lesson, we're going to learn how to multiply and divide negative numbers. In order to do this, you will need to learn the ninja law, okay, the ninja law. So the ninja law looks like this, and this is a little table here that you need to learn. Basically, we've got three faces. So you've got this guy, okay, and he's got two pluses there, and he's a positive dude, okay. You got two negatives here with this guy, and he's also a positive dude. But then this guy here, he's got one of each. He's got a negative and a positive, and he is a negative ninja, okay? So when we multiply negative numbers, we just multiply the numbers as per normal. We ignore, basically, whether they are positive or negative. We just do it. So if I've got something like negative 6 times 3, I ignore this negative here, and I just do 6 times 3, because it doesn't matter if it's negative or positive. 6 times 3 is always 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18, okay? But then once we find our answer, we refer to our ninja law, okay? And we see whether our answer is negative or positive. So if we have two positive numbers, okay, our answer would be positive, all right? If we have two negative numbers, our answer would also be positive. But if we've got one of each, our answer is going to be negative. So in the instance of this example, because we have one negative number and one positive number, our answer becomes a negative, all right? So negative 6 times 3 is a negative number. So let's have a look at these ones. So once again, number one, we multiply the numbers as per normal, regardless if they are positive or negative. So we just look at it. 1 times 6 is 6, okay? 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. 12 times 5 is 60. But then we refer to the ninja law, okay? So this one has one negative and one positive, which means it's this guy here. Our answer is going to be negative. This one here has two negatives, all right? So when you have two negative numbers, our ninja is positive. So that means our answer stays at 16. Here, 3 times 3, both numbers are positive, which means our answer stays as 9, okay? And the last one here, we've got one negative number and one positive number, which means we've got this negative ninja again. So we need to put a negative in front of our answer to make it negative 60. All right. So I'm going to get you guys to do some practice. Okay. Do these 4 questions, multiply the numbers, then refer to the ninja law to decide whether the answer is positive or negative. And I'll give you 2 minutes to get these done, and then we'll go through it again. right, answer time. Let's go through these. So 7 times 12 is 72. Okay, it's 72. And when I have one negative and one positive, my answer is negative. Okay, here, 8 times 4 is always 32. And I have two negatives, so that means it's this ninja here. So my answer stays as positive. 21 times 3, that is 63. And both are negative. So once again, it's this ninja, so my answer stays as positive. And here, 5 times 9 is 45. But I have one positive and one negative. So that means it's this negative ninja up here. So that means I have a negative 45. All right, let's do some division. Division is exactly the same as multiplication. You just do the division and then you refer to the ninja law, okay? And you decide whether your answer is positive or negative. I'll give you 2 minutes to give these a go. Have a go, and then we'll go through the answers. Good luck. All right, answer time. So let's go through these. So here, 9 divided by 3. Well, 3 goes into 9 3 times, and I have two negatives. So that means it's this. Oh, no, sorry, it's not that ninja. That means it's this ninja, and he's a positive guy. So that means that my answer stays as a positive. 36 divided by 3 is 12, okay? But I have one positive number and one negative. That means it's this negative ninja, so my answer needs to be a negative number, okay? Here, 25 divided by 5, 25 divided by 5 is 5. And I have one negative and one positive. That means it's this ninja, which means that my answer is negative. And last but not least, 39 divided by 3 equals 13. And I have two negative numbers, which means it's this ninja up here. So my answer stays as 13, okay, positive 13. So guys, that is multiplying and dividing negative numbers. Hopefully you found that pretty straightforward. Go on to the questions. If you've got any questions, go on to the questions. But if you have any more questions, please ask and we can go through some more. Good luck.